What's up, everybody, and welcome back. Got another great video for you. We're doing another speed art. I know I've been doing a couple of videos with me doing a couple of pictures of characters. I'm just trying to get my skills warmed up because I'm going to start working on my comic here pretty soon. So I'm just trying to get some practice in with my inks and my pencils. It's been a while since I did anything with comics, so that's the reason why I'm doing these videos. Also, with these pictures I'm doing, I'm going to be giving a giveaway. So if you want an original, just subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below and your contact information, and I'll pick a winner for each video, and I'll make sure I get those artwork pieces to you. Like I said, I'm trying to get up to 100 subscribers before I leave country here in November. So I'm at 71 subscribers now, I think. So I'm doing good so far, so hopefully I can reach that goal by the time I leave. Also, get your friends, to subscribe if you got any that like artwork. But anyway, let's get on to the video, and thanks for stopping by.